special plate for your husband to be using to eat. A prefer pastor more than your husband. If that pastor wife tell you wetin dey see for your marriage sef, you sef go banji. You go carry your marriage problem, carry go dey tell your pastor wife, tell them. They have their own problem. As you sef dey get problem for your marriage, na so them too dey get their own problem. Then they settle it. So learn how to settle your own home. No dey carry your problem wey you get with your husband inside house, dey carry am dey go tell your pastor. Some of them go say, pastor don collect my wife. Some people go say, pastor wife dey put eye for my husband. Because na dey carry una sef dey go dey pim. You go see woman, you no go respect it. Every day dey for church. Na im do bad pass. Na im still dey do evil in secret. Na im dey do evil pass. But every day see am dey for church. If dem dey pray, na im pray pass. Na im go shake body pass. Na im go do like this. Na im go do like that. Some of them, they no get clothes. Their husband, they manage themselves because they want to go this. They want to do something for church. They say this because of they want to go church every Sunday. Want to go church. You go find money. How you go take borrow money to go buy clothes? Your husband no get it. They manage you, but because of that, you won't go find money. Make you feel borrow. Make you feel wear that girl, wear that lace. We say make them see you for church. Say you don't arrive. You no go do where your hand reach. And when you and your husband hand reach, you go bring the man, they insult the man outside. Pastor. Like say na pastor na they marry you. If you with your husband they talk, if you no mention pastor 2 times or 3 times, he never stay. Anytime when you see your wife, they mention pastor 2. If you talk 3 times or 4 times, if you no mention pastor, no say I did for that pastor. If you mention that pastor every time when they talk 3 or 4 times before, no say I did for him, they target that pastor. In the target that pastor. If not the man, in the target the man. If na woman be the pastor, therefore he won't know what he go they tell her. In the carrying problem, they go they tell the woman. Some women, I don't know what is wrong with their brain are empty. You go see them. Everything when they say they church. Oh, if they say na so some go see me, be come to my church. They go they hustle you like as they hustle woman wey stand for road. And so they go they hustle you. If pastors, some churches, if the pastors see you, they go they hustle you. Well, sister, why can't you come to my church? Sometimes I look at them. I see one day. He's passing in my side. He's chasing a white lady. You don't know that I know him, that he's a pastor. I laugh, I shake my head like this. He's chasing, calling the white lady, come. The white lady don't even answer, don't even do like you know him or no know him. And I be head that for the church. I be pastor for the church. Person why I know, I do like say I know now. I move my eye, I just do like say he called this lady. Carry number, you know they are not speaking English. They carry phone number. I just talk for my mind. They look. Now you go know say people. I know say they are human being, but the way they go they condemn things like say condemn. If Oyibo way they do church, we bring that church like that. If the way they take bring that church, if then they do the same way they take do, our own they carry am for our head. They heavy us every minute. You go see us. You go be like say if you know they go church now you spoil pass. My dear, if you know they go church now you even get good heart pass them when they go church. May I tell you now. If you're not going to church, you're better than those people that carry church for heads. Because your heart is clean more than them. I'm telling you the truth. You see them carry church for head, tomorrow they do bad, they go do something. If you hear what these people do, you will shame. They insult Baba God. Some of us, this pastor, if you say them be God, you say them be God, we create this world. Therefore, nobody go talk. Then go get better school, you go see school where they get. Poor people where they give off free. We say if you see the last card where they sell for their market, they go carry and go give for free. You go see them, then go use them the better school they will do. The poor people cannot go that school. It's only rich. Maybe say driver will call the park motor, carry them, they put them for the school. Poor people you cannot see poor people unless na few church because of that the freeze don dey attack them. Na mean many of them dey go say poor people make dem when that the freeze say truth more na no dey attack am. The people the problem Nigerians have, we don't like when someone is saying truth. When somebody is saying truth is our head dey catch fire. We don't like when someone is saying truth. When they are saying truth like this, our brain, the thing dey scatter our brain. You have to learn. When someone do something bad, tell him that you do something bad. Tell him that you do something bad. All these African countries, why they know they carry church for head? Now Nigeria, na pray pass. Now they do bad pass. Now they do bad pass. Many of us don't go to church now, but their heart is very clean. More than the people that come to church. More than the people that come to church. They will carry church for head from morning till night, do like this, go to night vigil. But when you see what they are doing inside, you will do hand like this. You will say, God, you know, you will say that you don't want to stay essential with them. So, but what I'm telling you, don't look at people's character and go to church. If you want to go, your heart wants to go, follow your heart. But if you don't want to go to church, pray in your house. If you want to help people, send money for home, or you go to the country you're living, find people that don't have, share things for them. Even the country, the white man country, they get motherless baby there. You can ask and Google it out for the country you live. You can go and do something for them there. They will appreciate yourself as a foreigner. They will even video you, they will put you everywhere because you show them love. I'm telling you the truth. The people, Africa, Nigerians, especially Nigerians, who don't like truth, who like bad things. We like bad things. We don't like when someone speaks truth. And because of that, the priest and the fresh and the priest and the pastor, everybody, that the thing like the rain. Something we are not supposed to talk in social media, we no go talk am. Now something we know dey important now na they carry for my head. Something we know dey important now na they carry for head. Pass. See everything where they have no food for poor people. Now know they think that one. Wetin una dey no you una talk things wey no dey everywhere in social media everywhere. Na something wey no dey important now na dey like carry for head. Una no see one pastor wey be say they preach people for Facebook. I watch it in Facebook. The pastor is preaching with people. I tell people something. Do you know that the husband come and say that please don't mind my wife. My wife is lying. His character is very bad inside house. The husband say like that because the man know what he's seeing. But the woman is pretending is a pastor and he's telling people you have to do like this for your husband. Be good. The husband is open mouth and say that what he said tell Una is lie. This woman is wicked more than any other thing. She have bad character. She's wicked. Do you know that? But instead you're calling mommy. Nobody will not get. So you when they go carry your problem, they tell them, pray yourself out. God have a purpose for every one of us. The prayer they can pray, if you determine, you pray yourself out. It's not until you stand 1 hour or until you start 3 hours is that you pray. My dear, it's not like that. It's not until you stand like 5 hours be praying and praying is that you pray. God know our hearts and God know what you want. Even though it's 5 minutes, even though not 10 minutes, you can sing to God. After singing to God, you pray. When you pray, just pray prayer. God know your heart, what you want. I'm telling somebody in my YouTube, I told him that we are talking about a friend of mine, Maurice Jackie. I told her, so she invited me for her live stream. So we are talking about something. I told her that some people then think that if you don't go to church, therefore you are a bad person. Is what people think. If you didn't go to church, you are a very bad person. My dear, if whether you go to church, whether you carry church for higher, the people that don't go to church, they are better than you that go church every day. You think because they are not going to church is that like they cannot pray? They will sit their house and pray, and God listen to them. God know their hearts. If I still want, like me now, if I still want to just go to church and just enter inside the church where there's no one is there, I kneel down and talk to my God. I go out. If I have anything I want to give God, I'll just drop it and go. But some people will carry it like it's something is a die or do or die. Where your heart is very bad for your seconds. When you don't like good things coming to people, when you don't like someone progressing, when you don't like your friend to be happy, when you see something that will make that person to start from square one, you will do it. Which kind of life is that? And you're claiming I'm going to church, I'm pure, I'm that. You're not pure. If you're doing that, you have to change. If you're getting jealous life in your life, jealous spirit, you have to pray it out. All those things, the problem that we have in Nigeria. We don't want this one to be bigger than you. You know, this jeep is raining. This one is doing like this. You have to make this person you have to be on top. My dear, if God say you'll be on top, you'll be on top. If God say no, it's not your time, it's not your time. There's time for everything. You have to know how to learn. When somebody do something bad, don't support him. Tell him you do something bad. Let him know that what you do is bad. But some people, when they do something bad, when you tell him it's a very big problem, that person is going to attack you and fighting you, calling your name, sort of name, calling you bad names. People don't like when something is good. When you do something good, they like something that is bad. You have to change if you're doing that. You have to learn how to change. This life, no be people with, you know, God say that if you want to come, now for a house, you go start the judge. In own house, church, now you go start. All those things they are doing in secret, where they think nobody is seeing them. God is seeing them. So you don't have to be fighting that the flesh. That the flesh already speak his mind. He say with his mind. So you as a pastor, you are a leader. Control your mouth. Learn how to talk too. Don't use your anger. You have an anger spirit. Don't use your anger. You bring your anger out so much. You have to learn how to control yourself because you are a leader and people are looking onto you. You don't have to be saying a lot of things. You don't have to be saying a lot of things. You will do that, you do this. All those things now, people look you. If you have a lot of members, some people will still draw back. Our pastor is saying like this. Do you know how many people you weigh? Do you know all this kind of... There's some things you have to say in public. There's some things you have to know that this thing is very, very wrong. I know that his anger you just speak. I know, but next time you have to learn how to control yourself. Nobody will not get his own wahala. Everybody get their own problem. Me as I am, I get my own problem. So, but you have to learn how to control yourself. How to, if you are a leader, lead well. So the people that you lead, they will follow your footsteps. Is what I'm telling you. As you listen to my message, God bless you and bless your family. Have a blessed day. Follow me in my YouTube and my Instagram. My YouTube name, Ebi Media. My IG name, Instagram name, in that name. So follow me in mine. YouTube, God bless you. Is your girl. Bye.